Oh, hey friends, Paul here. I'm just taking a whiff of the lemon eucalyptus essential oil in my diffuser here. This stuff is from Australia. Apparently it's very common in Australia, the lemon eucalyptus. It's used for cleaning and it's just apparently like in every household in Australia. Are any of you down under watching this video? Would love to hear from you. This stuff is also a natural insect repellent. And indeed, it smells like a citronella candle. So I've tried it. I've tried blending some of this and just testing it on my skin. And I find it that the citronella scent is a little much on the skin. I think I prefer regular eucalyptus for skin fragrance needs. However, in the diffuser, the scent is very bright and uplifting and clearing, especially in the winter. I kind of have a cold right now that's going around, and I feel like that's opening up my breathing passages, much like you might find with a camphor or menthol. Are you a fan of eucalyptus, and do you have a certain variety or species that you use for skincare or aromatherapy? Post your comments below, and thanks for watching.